Hey, this is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. We're just going to go over some monthly maintenance you can do at home. Do it yourself. As far as just inspection of bolts, that kind of stuff, lights. So basically, you would just go over and, like, if you notice anything that's loose, it's something that you could tighten up. If these bolts get loose, seat belts, stuff like that. Any of your lights, you kind of want to go over, make sure your lights are all working properly. Mirrors, sometimes these get loose. Like you can see, this one here is loose, so there is a bolt on the bottom, a nut here that you can tighten up to kind of keep that. These will loosen up sometimes, just vibration, especially if you're on like a gravel road type situation on the, if you got a property or a farm, stuff will loosen up as you drive it. So you just kind of want to go over everything. The rooftop, if you notice any kind of a vibration, just kind of visually look at the bolts and you can kind of tell, you can wiggle a few things and see if they're loose, and most everything is pretty easy to tighten up with simple tools that you should have around the house and that. And other than that, that's tire pressure. You want to definitely, winter and summer, always monthly check your tire pressure, because that'll prolong the life of your tire. If you don't, then the treads could wear unevenly. Your steering will be off a little bit. So try to maintain whatever little bit on the label on the tires that we've discussed in the past. These we try to set at about 30. I think they're geared for 34 PSI, so we put them at about 30. Most golf carts, your standard golf carts that aren't lifted, are going to be in the 20-pound range. But that kind of goes over a little bit just to kind of, manually check a few things. If you have a gas golf cart, always check the oil. Make sure you got plenty of oil in it. Electric ones, kind of check your battery connections. If you have batteries that need to be filled, then you want to use the distilled water and fill those up, so that'll prolong the life of your batteries. But yeah, on the gas golf carts, they have a battery also on the gas golf cart, so you'll want to kind of check the negative and positive cable, make sure they don't loosen up on you, make sure they're not getting corroded. If they get corroded, you can take a simple baking soda and water to clean it up, or if you're drinking a Coke, you can put a Coke on it and that'll temporarily clean it. But baking soda and water is how you kind of get some of that corrosion off. Other than that, just kind of monthly kind of look over everything and make sure you don't have anything getting loose, and that would cause a problem, down the road, a bigger problem down the road. Sometimes you can catch that ahead of time before something falls off or something breaks on you. And that should do it for this month.